So you want to make something like this, right? Your AI clone walking with your favorite superhero. We can do this in 3 easy steps. Let me show you. Head on over to a website called Replicate and find this model. Head on over to a website called huggingface.co over here and create a token. Then head on over to aiprofittools.com and grab a free checklist of tools. So AI cloning has got really insane. And I've managed to train an AI on the Flux model to generate images like this. As you can see there, that's your boy, there's Deadpool, and it's not only like ridiculous superhero images you can create, but there's me as a pilot, there's me as a rock star, there is me as Superman. And if you stay till the end of this video, I'll show you how to animate the videos to do this as well. There's me working from behind, there's me an Iron Man, there's me and 2 scary robots, there's me staring down some robots, and then yeah, I don't know what those are, but yeah, they're not real girls. So listen to my girlfriend. First, you want to head over to a website called Replicate up here, and you want to search for this exact model. So you'd go to the search tab up here and type in ostrich and then find this exact model. This is the one that's currently working. As you can see, it has 150,000 or almost 152,000 runs, and it's using the H100 like processing to get that done. That works out, it's going to work out to less than like $2. So as you can see here, I've typed in ostrich here, and we're going to go ahead and click this model on it. Then we're going to go and want to go over to T destination. I'm going to select create a new model, and then my model name, we can just say Mac Boss. Then it asks for an images file, as you can see here. Now this needs to be about 20 images of yourself, headshots preferably, smiling, looking normal, maybe perhaps you have glasses on, but try keep the images as if you were wanting something to get as accurate with you. Like with mine, for instance, I'll show you now. These are the images that I used. So it was very like ones I used to use for my thumbnails, and I got 20 of them. And you can obviously mess around and retrain it afterwards, but I do recommend the more normal looking ones will work. Kind of get the point there. Then once you've done that, you want to basically zip all the images. Now, this is important. You want to name each image a photo of, and then you want a trigger word. The trigger word is what is basically going to tell the AI that we want to use your face in a particular image. So think of it as your name. So I use the word talk. I think that is a standard one. I'd suggest keeping it that. So when we do our prompts, we're going to say talk as Superman, and that'll be us. So go ahead and zip these files up and then upload them to the image file over there. Pick and then add them in. Now under trigger word, we're going to use talk as we said, or whatever you want to do. Make your trigger word. And for the rest of them, we basically going to use it blank until we get down here to Hugging Face token. You want to head on over to Hugging Face. Once you're on Hugging Face, go over to your profile, click on settings, go create access tokens on the left there, and then it's going to ask you to configure entity. And we want to go over here and create a new token. So push create, and we want to give it as many permissions as possible. It probably isn't going to need this many permissions, but go ahead and tick everything at the top here. It probably doesn't need them, as I said. Once you've done that, go down to the bottom and hit create token. Oh, we have to name the token. So I'm going to name it MacBoss. Go create. I'm going to go ahead and copy that token number over and place it in the Hugging Face token. I almost forgot. So over here where it says Hugging Face repo ID, you want to basically put in your Hugging Face username and what you called it. So mine would be J8Mac, Mac Boss. Right? So let me down, scroll down. We can all these the same, advanced, loading rate, batch size. Yeah, literally it's all the same. And we're going to go down and create training. As you can see over here, it started. So it's extracting my 20 files, downloading the URLs, and this is going to run for about 20 minutes. All right, guys, should have been done training now. Now we're going to go over and I'm going to show you how we can create these cool images with prompts. Now, the biggest thing with this is having the correct prompts. I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to go about it. So go on over to Claude or ChatGPT. I'm thinking maybe we do a sneaky ChatGPT today. I do have the pro version, but I don't think it'll be much of a difference. So head on over to ChatGPT and basically type in, write me a prompt for talk, our word, right? Our trigger word. Let's say walking away from an explosion with Deadpool. Right? Fed that into ChatGPT, and here we go. So what I've found with this, it's better to start with your trigger word, right? I'm gonna go down here to tprompt, I'm gonna paste it in, and I'm just gonna, as I said, start it with my trigger word. So, Tok and Deadpool walking confidently away from a massive explosion in the background. Tok is mysterious, a futuristic character with sleek high-tech armor. So it's gonna put me in armor. So let's just run this and see. As over here, you can also set the aspect ratio, height, etc., etc. But I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go. Let's see what this gives us. See, it's still running. Doesn't usually take long. All right. So as you can see, I mean, it's not bad for the prompt it was given. There's me and Deadpool, and yeah, it's pretty awesome. So your biggest thing that's going to help you the most here is the prompting. So I'll leave a prompt down below that'll literally help you get most quality images out of this particular model. Now, if you want to animate something, let's say we like this image, right? I'm going to go ahead and save it, Tok and DP, Deadpool, and we're going to head on over to a website called Runway. I'm going to go here and create an account. Now, this is also going to basically cost a little bit of money, but guys, totally worth it. I'm going to go over here and select asset. Once you've in Runway, and head on back over ChatGPT, take the exact prompt you gave the original one, and then paste that in here and push it. I see this is another image of me and Deadpool, but it doesn't really matter. So let's just go ahead and generate that, and let's see. As I said, guys, the only thing that's going to limit you here is obviously the images you upload, so make sure you have decent quality headshots that you upload and your prompting. I mean, it's something, right? It's something. Guys, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment the word AI. Go visit AIProfitTools.com. Get my free list of 300 tools that I'm using and testing every day. And I'll see you in the next one. I also have a free community download. Please check it out. Cheers. Bye.